Hey, what are you talking about on this Saturday morning? Huh? Are you talking about Dada? Yeah? Yeah? Are you talking about Dada or something else? My little bald baby Rose. Hmm? Show me your tricks. You crawl. And you pull up. And you say Dada a lot. Yeah. Are you gonna be quiet now I have the camera? Huh? You silly girl. Yeah. Dada, come get these. Come get it. Yeah. There we go. There's a crawl. Very good. You're sitting. I don't know if I want her to pull up on the tile here with her PJs on. They don't really make sticky bottoms on the feet until they're a little older. The 4 to 6 month clothes that she fits in, 3 to 6 month, it doesn't have sticky stuff on the bottom. Because I don't expect babies to be crawling and standing at that age. So I'll say she is one motivated little girl. You're one motivated little baby. Hmm? Yeah, what's that, huh? Oh, really? Yeah, you gonna eat that with your 2 little teeth? Oh, good burp. Okay, can you smile bye-bye? 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 Yeah, good job.